In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check unusual Gmail login devices so you can quickly spot any sign-ins you don't recognize and secure your account before anything becomes a bigger problem. This is one of the most important security checks you can do, especially if you use Gmail on multiple phones, laptops, tablets, or if you've ever signed in on a public or shared device. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/security. This is Google's official security page, and it's the safest place to review your account activity and connected devices. Once the page loads, sign into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Use the account you want to check, especially if you have more than one Gmail address. After you're in, scroll down until you find the section called Your Devices. This section shows the devices that are currently signed into your Google account, which makes it very useful for spotting anything unfamiliar. Now click Manage All Devices. On this screen, Google will show you a full list of devices that have access to your account. Take your time here and carefully review each one. Look at the device name, the location, and the last activity time. These details are important because sometimes a device name might look familiar, but the location or activity time could reveal something suspicious. If you notice a device you don't recognize or a location that doesn't make sense, click on that device to open its details. From there, select Sign Out and confirm the action. This will remove that device's access to your account immediately. If you see more than one suspicious device, repeat the same process for each one. And if anything looks seriously unusual, such as repeated logins from a strange location or devices you've never used before, don't stop there. The safest next step is to change your password right away. A new password can help secure your account and disconnect anyone who may still be trying to access it. If possible, choose a strong password that you have not used anywhere else, and make sure it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. It's also a good idea to review your recovery email and phone number while you're in your Google account settings, just to make sure nothing has been changed. So to quickly recap, go to your Google security page, open your devices, check the names, locations, and last activity, sign out of any unknown device, and change your password if something seems suspicious. That's the easiest way to check unusual Gmail login devices and protect your account. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.